Do you guys ever like wearing two necklaces, but this is the problem? So I recommended these a long time ago. These little, I don't know, chain holders from Amazon, right? But this one always starts barking and causes a chain reaction every time I start shooting a video. Let's get back to this little chain divider, right? I got these off of Amazon and I recommended them because I was like, this is so cool. They don't get tangled, right? I have not worn them with my fine jewelry because unfortunately, if you're moving around and stuff a lot, this will just it will come loose, right? It's good if you have like costume jewelry and stuff, but I'd like to wear my fine quality jewelry, right? And I don't want the chance of losing it because something like this, it snaps undone and then I lose my chain. So I found this company, right? If you guys don't know me by now, I support any small business. If you are legit and you have a great product, I'm like, yeah, sure, send me your product and I will show it on with you guys, right? So I actually opened them and repackaged them. This is such a fine piece of jewelry. Like, let me show you this really quick. This is the same thing. It's a clasp, right? Look at the packaging. It's so awesome. This is by Tamer. You can see there, Tamer. Little tiger or little lion or something like that, right? And then you open it up, it has this ribbon, and then whoops, upside down. What, bam, right? I'm going to show you some photos that I took with my camera. Like, this is such a fine quality piece of jewelry. Mind you, sterling silver and 14 karat gold. This is the 14 karat gold. These are so extremely beautiful, petite, but sturdy, right? Let me go ahead and pull this off so I can show you. Right here. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to pull out my fine jewelry. You guys know I love Tiffany. I wear Tiffany all the freaking time. But to have such a fine, beautiful quality piece with your fine jewelry or even your costume jewelry, but I like fine jewelry, is just awesome. So what this is a chain extender it comes with, right? We can take off the chain extender. This is the chain extender, right? This here is so freaking nice. So freaking nice, right? I'm going to go ahead and add my chain to it, right? I'm going to pull out my fine jewelry. This is what I got from Eric for our, I think it was my 23rd anniversary. By the way, just so you guys know, during the holidays and stuff, they can actually engrave your Tiffany jewelry for free. Getting back to the jewelry. Okay, so here is one of these necklaces that I hold like precious for me because not because it's Tiffany, but because my husband took so much thought to put our name on it. It says Eric and Christina on it. But let's go ahead and get back to this clasp. Okay, so I'm going to take the end right here, you see it, and I'm going to put it in the clasp. And we're going to layer this necklace like I like to wear it. And it's not going to get tangled. I'm going to put it against my dark hair. You see, it's a very simple. You got two of them in there. Now just take the other end and attach it. So this is one chain. You can see it's on the bottom. Then attach it on the bottom to the other side. Well, bam, we got one necklace in. I love this because they're not going to get tangled. And I don't have to worry about taking off two necklaces. Well, bam. Look at that. I got two necklaces, right? Here's the clasp. The lovely thing is that this clasp will not come undone because it has this, and I'm going to show you guys close up in a second. It has this clip that you push down and you pull out. And you see it goes up and down. And all you do is take it and connect it like this and watch, check this out. So you push it in and it's a snug fit. So you don't have to worry about losing them. But can you hear that? Like it snaps in place and it stays in place. So put it on. Well, bam. Now I have these two necklaces. I think this is a little chunky on chunky. but that's fine because normally I'll wear maybe like something a little bit more petite with something chunky like this. I have 2 necklaces that will not get tangled and I will not lose them. Isn't that lovely? Let me show you the gold real quick. Gold, so pretty. So pretty. This one says 14 karat gold. And for the purposes of this video, I'm actually going to show you with the extender on. Okay, so here's the extender, and I took it off one side. This is the only way I could figure out how to actually use the extender. So you'll take the necklace and you'll put it through the bottom hoop of your chain like this. You see that? And then you will lock it into that same clasp. Like this, you see? Then I'm going to take and do the same exact thing to the other side. Just clip it in. You see the extender? It's going to be in the back of my neck. Unclip it and then put it on. And then I will have 2 chains that won't get tangled. So a trick is to actually push this down before you try to shove it in there. If you push it down and then put it on, it makes it so much easier. Look, so these are pretty much the same length with that extender on, and they're not going to get tangled. And it's going to be on all day. And I won't mess up or lose my fine jewelry. I think these are amazing, delicate, strong, beautiful looking. Look at that. Just gorgeous how it just, look at that. It's like even if it came in the front, let's say, you know, so occasionally it will come in the front, that would still like be so beautiful. It just looks like an accent to your necklaces. Anyways, guys, this is chaintamer.com. No affiliation, no sponsored video, no marketing, nothing. This is just a company that I find is an amazing company that is an honest, like, small business that does very good quality jewelry or clasp like this. Chain Tamer, whatever they call it. That's what they call it. Chain Tamer. It's at chaintamer.com. It's an awesome clasp if you want that fine quality of jewelry that holds your necklaces together and they're not going to fall off. So I'll post their information down below if you want. But once again, like, appreciate you guys being here. If I haven't told you that already today, I appreciate you guys watching my video. I love you guys. God loves you. Please be the best you can be this year. We have a new year. We're going to start all over, and we're going to be the best that we can be. That's my tip of the day. Support your friends. Support local small businesses, because honestly, we need more of that. More people who encourage their friends to start businesses. We need to bring jobs back to the United States versus shipping them overseas. And the reason I say this stuff is because it says here, Chain Tamer is fine jewelry manufactured in the United States of America. It actually says USA, but I just kind of like emphasize that. And quality tested so you can trust it with your treasured chains. Love, 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 gives you directions, tells you thank you. I appreciate companies like this, as I appreciate you guys watching my videos. Let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. Really quick, look at this. And I also want to put it on a bracelet. This bracelet right here, this one, is so super tight on my wrist, and I figured this is perfect because it adds just a little bit of extra length by having this. But let me go ahead and unclasp it. You see? Look at that, how it's super snug in there. Get off, you hook it in, take the other one, you hook it in. If you want, you can lay it down. If it makes it easier for you, just lay it down. Get the other ends. And you hook it in. And once again, you hook it in. Right? Look at that. That was so easy. Then you just bring them together. Make sure that they're on the same side. Look at that. Both sides. You see that? Both sides have the design. So it doesn't matter which way you wear it because both sides have that embellishment. Remember, squeeze it. Squeeze it and then push it in and it snaps. Okay, so they're in, you can see that. So let's go ahead and unsnap them. There we go. We have our pieces right there. We're gonna put it on our wrist. Let me see if I could just push real hard. There we go. I'll push real hard and it went in. Oh my gosh. Look at that. And I actually can wear this bracelet now because it was like so extremely, extremely tight. Look at that. I can wear them together. And that is darling. Look at that. That is darling. I love this. I love this. Now, honestly, taking it off is the easiest thing when it's on the wrist. You just put your finger right there at the tab, push down, and slide your nail up. And it comes right up. Look at that. You see how it comes out? Really, really nice. Mind you, you have to squeeze it really hard down because it's in there really, really good so you don't lose your fine quality jewelry.